Hello everyone, today I'm very excited to have Sonia Gamero with me. Hi Sonia.
Hello.
So the topic today is observability. So can you give us a short definition of that?
Sure. So observability is, according to Gartner, a characteristic of software and systems that allows administrators to collect internal and external data of the system in order to make questions around the behavior of the system.
Right, so turning an IT environment into an observable system should be an objective for any organization, right?
Absolutely. It's really a must, but this is actually where we see many of our customers struggling.
So what would you advise to customers to turn their IT environment observable?
So the first thing is to collect data and to collect the right data. There are three types of data that we can collect: metrics, traces, and logs. We can collect data either through monitoring tools of all kinds, of all IT domains, or we can collect data directly from the systems into a data lake. Now, we can't collect all IT data. That would be impossible, too expensive, and with little business value. We need to, here the idea is to focus on the outcomes of what we want to achieve. And I would recommend three areas of outcomes to focus on. The first one is to know when incidents occur. So being capable of knowing, identifying an issue when it occurs immediately. Secondly is around the triage of the incidents according to their business impact. And thirdly is understanding the issues, so the root cause of the issue, so that we can immediately fix the issue once we know where it comes from.
All right, interesting. So what would you recommend IT organization to do to select the right data to collect?
So we need to do an assessment of what are the existing monitoring tools and what's the data that is already being collected in order to identify visibility gaps, depending on the outcomes that we want to achieve. And here there is a diagram from Gartner that I like, which shows the different types of monitoring that we can actually do. Infrastructure, application performance, network performance, digital experience monitoring. And in the middle of that, we have AIOps, which is an ecosystem gathering all of the data and bringing value out of this data.
All right, can you give us an example?
Yes, so let's imagine that an IT organization wants to make Microsoft Teams an observable application. So we would need to focus on all of the components that constitute Teams performance and have knowledge already on the team's behavior. So first of all, we have the Teams database that we can collect data from through API. Then we need to know what's the user PC health, the Wi-Fi signal, the bandwidth available where the user is sitting, either at home or at the office, all of the infrastructure component health between the user and the Microsoft SaaS infrastructure. So we need to monitor and collect data around all of these elements in order to make Teams an observable system.
Amazing. So where AIOps comes into play?
So AIOps combines big data and machine learning in order to make IT operations more efficient. But this is a big topic, and it could be the topic of another video actually. But what I can tell you is that AIOps is a journey that IT organizations cannot make happen overnight. And another very important topic is that no data, no AIOps. So if you want to start a successful AIOps journey, you need first to make your IT environment observable so that you can capitalize on the AIOps benefits.
Thank you for your insights, Sonia. Sounds like exciting, and I would be happy to have you back for another video for AIOps.
With pleasure.
Thank you.